Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to find the explicit formulas for arithmetic sequences, what they are, and also where they are derived from. So here's an example. It says that a of n, where n is the term number or the position in the sequence, like the first, the second, the third term in the sequence, is equal to 4 plus 3 multiplied by the previous term number. So I want to find the first number in the sequence. All I'm going to do is replace n with 1. And then you can see that I find out 4 is the answer. Similarly, I can replace n with 2 to find the second term in the sequence, with 3 to find the third term. But when it comes to the fourth term, I realize that I can already predict a pattern. I'm adding 3 each time. So instead of using the explicit formula, it's quite obvious that I can add 3 again to go to the fourth term. But what if I want to find a number that is much larger and further away in the sequence? In that case, it is much more efficient to use the explicit formula instead of trying to add on 3's until we reach the 56th term. So now that you know how useful they can be, how do we find the explicit formulas for a sequence? Now we're going to focus on arithmetic sequences. As you can see here, we start with 4, and we're adding 3's to get to 7, and then 10, and 13. So we can see that the common difference is always 3. So in other words, the first term in the sequence is 4, but when it comes to the second term in the sequence, we're adding the common difference of 3 once. When it's the third term in the sequence, we're adding the common difference of 3 twice to the first term in the sequence to get 10. Thus, we can make a generalization that the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is equal to the first term plus the common difference multiplied by the previous term number. Let's have a look at another example sequence. So from 5 to 7 to 9 to 11, we're adding 2 each time. That makes it the common difference. We can write that as one of our variables. And then the first term in the sequence, which is equal to a, is 5, right? Now let's arrange it into the formula. 5 plus 2, which is a difference, multiplied by the previous term number. After that, what's left to do is simplify until we reach something as simple as 2n plus 3. Now we can apply this formula for the 56th term in the sequence. I replace n by 56, multiply 56 by 2, and add 3 to it, and that is the 56th term in the sequence, which we probably would have had so much more trouble trying to figure out if we had not derived this equation. Alright guys, that was arithmetic sequences and how to find their explicit formulas. If you want the same for geometric sequences, slightly different, then make sure to follow our channel and watch that video also. See you in the next video.